In this video, we are going to see how to fix vCenter Extractor Service is failing with error BCO ETL fail 103 cannot connect to vCenter. If you see this error in the TSCO vCenter Extractor Service log, which is cannot connect to the vCenter, this error generally means that either the specified hostname of the vCenter is incorrect, the specified port of the vCenter API is incorrect, or there is a firewall blocking the connection between the CO ETL engine and vCenter. One good way to test this behavior outside of the CO product is to run the Wget command from the command line of the ETL engine server. So we'll do that. First, we will go to the ETL where we have the VMware ETL configuration with the SDK URL. We'll copy this URL and then log into the ETL machine where this ETL is configured and validate it with Wget command. I'm in the ETL machine where the vCenter ETL is configured. From here, we'll run the Wget command, which is wget space the HTTPS with the SDK URL along with the port. We'll hit enter. So the expectation is that the Wget will also fail with some connection refused or connection will timed out. In my case, it shows as connected. Another good test is to attempt to connect to the URL via the web browser. So for example, this is my vCenter detail along with, I'll give MOB. Now it prompts for the username and password. If successfully authenticated, then it means that both the URL and user account is correct for access and at least has initial login access, although that doesn't test access to collect performance data from the environment. So once we did the test and once the error has reproduced outside of the CO product, it can be referred to the vCenter system administration team for further analysis. Thank you for watching and have a great day.